I can remember at my first job, there was a company happy hour one day, and it was like at 4 o'clock. So you got to go to the happy hour. And then I was still, it was the bottom of the rung on the corporate ladder. So I still had a lot more work to do at 4 p.m. And I brought a beer back to my desk. And I remember like texting my parents. My dad worked for the US Postal Service for years and drove trucks. My mom was a nurse. They could never drink on the job. That was not something that anyone would ever do. But here I am getting paid to like have this party. And I was like, wow, this is so cool to be part of a company that encourages this, and that was the culture of the company: work hard, play hard. So through my 20s, I worked for various ad tech companies in sales, and it was just more of the same. Grabbing drinks after work, boozy lunches with clients. It was not abnormal to have a glass of wine on a Tuesday because you were going out with clients at lunch. It was totally normal. And a lot of people, this is totally normal for a lot of people. And then it was the company outings, which was like even more booze fueled. And it was just a bunch of 20-year-olds who were excited and happy to be together. And I knew I wasn't feeling that great drinking, but there wasn't enough to make me stop.